Hi, my name's Mark from High Rise Digital, and in this video we're going to look at some WordPress security tips, just looking at the very basics. We're going to look at 4 things, 3 plugins and 1 top tip. Here's the top tip: passwords. Make sure they are unique, strong and very long. Unique, you only use this password on this website, and long and strong, making sure that you've got a long password that is a mixture of different types of characters. Passwords are probably the common way that sites get hacked, people guessing them. So making sure yours is strong and long and very unique is going to be a very good way of protecting your site. Now let's look at 3 plugins that will help you with the basics. Number 1, the Limit Login Attempts Reloaded plugin. What this plugin does is prevent multiple failed login attempts from the same IP address or the same person. This means that if an automated bot is trying to guess your password, it's going to get blocked after a number of attempts. Plugin number 2, Force Strong Passwords. Although WordPress has a password strength meter, it doesn't actually force users to choose a strong and long password. Force Strong Passwords plugin will do just that, making sure that each user on their site has a very strong password. Plugin number 3, the WPS Hide Login plugin. All WordPress sites have the same login URL on a different domain, but the actual file location is the same. The WPS Hide Login plugin allows you to set a custom URL for your login page, hiding the default one. This is going to help protect your site against people looking for that login page to try and log in. So there we have it, some really basic security tips for WordPress. I hope you found that useful.